Hi everyone, this is Meryl. Welcome back to The Artistry Corner. This video is part of a fun collaboration called Coasting Through the Week with these amazing YouTube creators. You'll find their channels linked in the description down below, including a playlist with all the creators that have joined. So be sure to check them out and see what coaster projects they've created. In today's video, I will be making 2 car coasters with the Pittsburgh Steelers logo. I've already printed it with my brand new baby, the Cricut Joy 2, which it's got print then cut, and I am loving it. I think every crafter should have one in their craft studio. Okay, so I'll be using the Ranger alcohol ink in Slate. I'm also going to be using the HEMOER medium to mixed chunky glitter in black. I'll be using, I was going to make it with polyurethane, the base, but I want the sparkle. So I'm going to be using my trusty TEEEXPERT epoxy A and B 1:1 ratio. And I think that's about it. It's going to be a quick video. So without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Okay, so I've already mixed the resin, washed and wiped my coasters. I have a little keychain shaker here to do in case I have any leftover, which I think I will do. Let me just spray these, and I just have to mix the colors. That's a slate, so it's kind of like a dark, it's not black, but it's got a gray hue to it. Fill it all the way because once I put the decals on, I want to be able to put a top coat on it. I mean, if there's no space, I'll just flood them without the mold after, but I'm gonna try anyways. Now I'm just going to monitor a little bit for just in case I see any bubbles. Then I'll put it on the curing machine for 45 minutes and we will be back for the next half of the project. Okay, I was dying to use my new Cricut Joy 2. I love it. It's got print and cut, and this is a must for any crafter. If you don't want to get the big machines out, this one does everything. So I've already printed the Steelers logos. Put them here. Let it get fed. Okay, so I thought I was recording, but I guess I wasn't. It's okay, you didn't miss much. I placed the decals on and then I top coat it. We're gonna give it one last coat. I'm sorry, not one last coat. We're gonna put it on the cure machine one more time, and then I will bring it out for the final reveal. Okay, here's the reveal and the final result. I'm not gonna be putting a backing behind them because these are car coasters, and normally cars have the coaster area, or the cup holder area has a grippy part, so they won't need anything to just protect any surface. But oh my gosh, they're so adorable. I love the way they turned out. Here are some pictures. If you enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to check out the other amazing creators in this Coasting Through the Week collaboration linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.